Let's pause this for a second. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been about a year since I uploaded a video, so we're gonna get right into it and talk about where the project's been in the last year and what the future plans are, so stay tuned. So August 2018, now we're going back in time about a year ago when I uploaded that last video. A few weeks after that video, the car got into a tow truck and sent over to my buddy's garage where he was gonna finish the bodywork. Once it got to his place, the first thing he had to start off with was bringing all the panels down to bare metal. Stripping it down to bare metal obviously gives you the best understanding of what you're dealing with and if there's any issues. Luckily in my case, there was no issues. The doors, the trunk, and the hood were in good condition, so it was easier in that sense. While he was doing that bodywork, I meanwhile was working on the rear subframe and replacing the bushings and respraying the rear control arms, trying to bring them back into life. After trying different methods with the rear bushings, I've come to the conclusion the easiest way was to drill out the bushings themselves and then use a reciprocating saw to cut out the casing itself. Of course, obviously I'm going into the subframe itself. By the time I finished all of that, the bodywork was getting completed and it was on the last step, which was having the car all spray putty. And afterwards we could block the car and have it ready for the paint booth. The way we had planned to paint this car was in two steps. Weekend one would have been sealing the car, primering it, prepping it, doing the inners. Weekend two, we had planned that we were gonna have it obviously put all together, block it, take it back to the shop, have it ready, straight onto the TV2. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked that video, click like. So see you guys in the next one.